Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba ubah Prestone tensang harkasngi balang ulaang bakitu kibla yo Omicron variant jong COVID kat kendai hinden kasngi kim dan jing hakaliang ka jigrimen sim ne kanu ka jing shitom ulabu pat ka jingker pat ki Paidbah bakin long ki bapikir bat ki bakit khli la ka sarkar kan penjari biang ka jingkhang dam ne lockdown ba Prestone ulaang ba kampadan kanu karai halor kini ke benta Hindai ulaang balada ka jingpo jong kenyang Jingpang ka jer aman se ban penjari biang da ka jikhang dam Nalor kata ulaang baki Paidbah kem di ban Sheptieng wala gani ka Jingpang ka Kiew hindai ki di ban bot iki kendon ki baka sarkar kala da batha Shushu ulaang ru baka jela kalong ka plapen kre nadu ki oksigen hadu ki jingthia ki babiang na kabenta ba wanabar ka sarkar kalapen kre ikitas na kabenta jangki nado na kajakarong lani entry point. Ulakan turu iki Paidbah mansyem ketika namar omtep lano kini Jingpang. Namar omtep lano kini Jingpang kan kod.
There was one person who had come from Assam, a tourist who had tested positive.
Oh yeah, who tested positive.
Yeah.
Already, in fact, he left the same day itself after collecting the sample. So before the result was out, he already left. In fact,
So he didn't enter Shillong?
He was in Shillong. That's what we got sample collected from him. He was in Shillong for some times, but ultimately he went back. Of course, but again, as far as this detail of the patient is that we have already entrusted DHS. He will tell you all the details. Only those 5 which was tested yesterday. So those 5, of course, were tested Omicron. But let me just tell you, Omicron again, in fact, it's a mild, it's a mild symptom, I should say. And those people who got positive yesterday, in fact, they are doing well. They don't have much problem, be it breathing problem or be it the oxygen level. They are quite okay, quite fine. I mean, as normal.
Are we heading for any imminent lockdown?
No. See, let me just tell you one thing. The economic activities in our state has suffered a lot. And looking back for lockdown, I think that is the only last resort. But my appeal, my request to all the concerned citizens of the state, please take care of yourself wherever you are, be it at home, be it in your workplace, or be it anywhere you are. I think you need to discipline yourself. You need to take care of yourself. I think that is the only way out where we can really contain the spread of the virus. Said the question of lockdown does not arise, and that would be the last resort if we have to. But taking into consideration what has happened 2 years back, we have seen people suffered a lot economically. So I think if you ask Meghalaya government or any other government in the country, I think they will not prefer at all for lockdown. We are not at all preferred for lockdown. So today, people should not just be panicky. I think be cool, calm. Everything is under control. 50 plus positive today came out. The trend maybe it keep increasing. We don't know tomorrow what will happen, day after tomorrow what will happen. But my only suggestion, request from the government side to all the citizens of the state to kindly stay safe, take care of yourself. And I don't have to repeat the same thing, wearing mask or your regular hand wash or social distance. I think that is already there in the mind of every citizen of the state. So what I'm trying to tell here is this: don't be panicky. Everything is under control, and we need to learn more that we have to live with the virus. And that if you talk with the medical scientists of WHO or of different state government, means we need to learn how to live with the virus. When I say you need to learn how to live with the virus, means remember the standard protocols which was already in place 2 years back. Okay. We have, right now we have enough space, then we have enough oxygen, we have enough ventilators. So hopefully this issue of shortage as far as medical treatment is concerned, we still don't have that. Already issued the order, the notification. Be it the citizens of the state or tourists or anybody coming into our state, we request them that you have to go through the entry point, and then you need to produce RT-PCR certificate within 72 hours. Or if you don't have that, you need to test. You need to go for RT-PCR test in the entry point itself.
Why artificial? Why not RAT?
You knew well, I think that question is very old. RAT, the accuracy rate is very low, whereas RT-PCR is, the accuracy rate is very, very high.
But RT-PCR, it takes time to give the result.
It takes time, but accuracy is more or less 80-90%. So better late than never. Now I'm telling you, not necessarily only the government employees. I'm telling you, each and every citizens of the state from 15 years and above. 15 years and above. Our advisories is very clear. Please go and get yourself vaccinated. Because this is the only way out. Well, people ask questions. I think I saw posted in YouTube, this, that. They said, then what is the point of taking vaccination? Because again, we get infection. Again, those vaccinated people, they get infected, right? But let us be very, very clear. Vaccination is to reduce the severity, the fatality. Though you get infected, but severity will not be there, and then you will not succumb to the virus. That's why I'm telling you, the entire world, why they keep pressurizing citizens of the respective country, go for vaccination, do vaccination. When you do vaccination means you get yourself protected. You get yourself protected, not infection, but you get yourself protected from severity and succumbing to the virus.
For COVID.
Yeah, the
We
COVID.
have for COVID.
Yeah.
Shillong and Surat.
That is completed now.
So in
It's completed.
an event where
No, that's what I think Jules has already asked this question. What's about the facilities, availability in the entire state? I've already told you. Be it accommodation, be it oxygen, be it ventilators, as of now, we don't have any problem. Request fervently to the parents and then even to the children from 15 and above. I will not say now 15 to 18. I will just say 15 and above who has not taken vaccination to kindly do that at the earliest possible. Because the third wave has already started. So we will be safe only with vaccination. Otherwise, there is no medicine and there is no solution to this. Because this virus, you don't know when is going to end or when is going to leave us. But it seems virus will continue to be here, will continue to be in the community, even in our household. Therefore, I would request all concerned citizens of the state, please just go yourself to the vaccination center and get yourself also vaccinated.